Good morning, guys. It's hilly here. Welcome to my flat in Benalmádena. Today I'm gonna take you around the city of Benalmádena. Well, it's actually a village, but we're gonna go up a big hill over there, and then I'm gonna also show you some streets of this small village. So welcome on board and let's go. Hey guys, we're at the top of the hill and behind me is Benalmádena. We have a lot of resorts here, a lot of hotels, and you actually can see Sierra Nevada over there, that white small mountain. It's quite far away, but you can actually see it from here. And on this side you have some more mountains, and actually the whole Benalmádena is full of hills and mountains. So in this city you go up and down, and the roads are not straight, so they just go between the hills and sometimes over them. Hi guys, we are in the center of Benalmádena and we're walking next to a pretty nice park. Benalmádena is a small town next to the beach, very close to Malaga, and I have to say that it's also a holiday resort, but there are much less tourists than, for example, in a village of Torrevieja where I was last time, and that's why it's kind of more cozy here because you have more local people and you have this nice park here, and like the city itself is not big, but it's very vibrant. I mean, I have experienced like I'm living in a big city basically after Torrevieja, which was very calm. Well, guys, we are at the culture center of Bilbil. It's a building right here, which is a very interesting building, and it has some exposition inside, but to be honest, I was not impressed. It's quite small and there's not many things to see. But interesting fact is that it's located just next to the beach, so we have to take a look at that too. Looks a bit empty because this is not the high season yet, but the Benalmádena actually gets very busy during the June, July and August and part of September. So guys, right now we can just enjoy this a bit calm.